Good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to respected Father, Reverend Father Ransom D'Souza, Coordinating Supervisor Ms. Neelam Rodriguez, all the distinguished judges, coordinators Ms. Pooja Kadam and Ms. Charushila Pujari, Sir Clifford, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we gather here to celebrate our love for our nation with a special patriotic fest. Yes, indeed, this fest is all about expressing our pride and love for our country. We have an exciting lineup of events that will surely ignite the flame of patriotism in our hearts. We begin with the patriotic singing competition, where talented singers will mesmerize our hearts with their melodious voices and patriotic songs. And then we'll move to the much awaited the Patriotic Fashion Show, where the students will walk the ramp in creative costumes that reflects India's pride, culture and unity. Before we begin, let us take a moment to introduce our esteemed judges who will be evaluating today's performance with their expertise and fairness.
Good morning, everyone. It's a privilege to introduce one of our judges for today, Mr. Sunil Joy, a professional in pharmaceutical clinical research. Mr. Joy holds degrees in BSc, PGD, MLT, and MBA. Beyond his career, he is a dedicated musician with over 30 years of singing experience. He has participated in and won numerous solo and group singing competitions, including the well-known Father Sunny Memorial Competition. He also plays the keyboard and conga and has served many musical events over the years. Currently, he serves as a choir master at St. Thomas Marine Church, Borivali. We are honored to have such a passionate and experienced musician with us today. Let us give a warm welcome to Mr. Sunil Joy.
Thank you. Now, I'm delighted to introduce our second judge, Mr. Anand Dabre. He is a passionate music educator, composer, performer, and a mentor, currently teaching at G.D. Somani Memorial School, Churchgate. He specializes in keyboard and drums and trains students for Trinity College London music exams. Mr. Dabre has led school rock bands that performed at top venues like Palladium and World Trade Center, Mumbai, and for organizations such as Godrej Group and the Greater Mumbai Police. He has also judged popular intercollegiate festivals like Iris and Melange. He runs a successful YouTube channel, Unity Production, with over 18,900 subscribers and 3 million plus views, and has composed theme songs for major events including Asian Youth Day and Yuva Jalosh. We are honored to have him with us today. Please give a warm welcome to Mr. Anand Dabre.
Thank you for joining us and gracing this occasion. Now, without any further delay, let's begin with our patriotic singing competition. Let's welcome Group 1 on the stage with a huge round of applause. Veera Desh Veera Eva star. Thank you, Group 1. Next up, we have Group 2. Let's cheer them on.
भारत प्यारा देश हमारा,
This beautifully expresses how India is more beautiful than heaven. This song reminds us of our cultural richness, unity in diversity, and the countless sacrifices made to keep our nation free and proud. wonderful, such spirit and harmony. And now, the final performance of this round. Group 5, let's hear it for them. Let's hear a huge round of applause for all the 5 groups for their heartfelt and passionate performances. We now invite Master Nick Dice and Miss Kyra D'Souza to take over and lead us into the next segment of the program, the Patriotic Fashion Show.
Thank you, Miss Pragati Nayak. It's now time for a patriotic fashion show. In this patriotic fashion show, each costume gives tribute to India's rich culture, heritage, and diversity.
Our participants are ready to walk the stage, not just in style, but with pride and patriotism.
Let's not keep you waiting any more longer. And let's invite our first group, Group 1. Let's give them a
This country cannot be run on fear. This country will rise, fight and demand truth.
It's time to move ahead and bring the change.
I'm not left or right. I believe in nationalism, patriotism, the federal structure, democracy, and equal.
My image is the creation of media. In politics, people into work and war. My election is the evidence that the poor in India cannot just dream but also can fulfill those dreams.
When I'm challenged, I'm encouraged. Jai Maharashtra.
Together, we can face all challenges, as deep as the ocean and as high as the sky. मेरे प्रिय भाइयों और बहनों,
After this wonderful performance from Group 1, now I request Group 2 to come forward and perform.
That was a creative and inspiring presentation from Group 1. Thank you.
not you the servant of your matters. Do every work that you do fearlessly, and the results will come out marvelous, because fear is the main cause of misery in this world. It is the main cause of, it is
our gatherings, burnt our papers. But how do you silence a voice that speaks through the air? This microphone, this transmitter is not a weapon of war, but it is my weapon because it carries a voice of a nation. Thank you.
These Britishers think that they can dominate us easily, but they forgot that they live in our country, in our motherland. I don't care about my life anymore. The only thing I care is my country. Inqilab Zindabad!
Good morning everyone. Today I, Anushka Dev, is going to talk about a famous freedom fighter, Rabindranath Tagore. I am Rabindranath Tagore, a poet, philosopher and a lover of God in 1861 in Calcutta. In a family full of art and ideas, I won the National Prize for my book Gitanjali. Thank you.
I am Dr. Homi Baba. I was born on October 30th, 1909. In 1945, I founded the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and later the Atomic Research Center of India. My legacy is a reminder to everyone that all problems can be solved peacefully. Thank you. They called me a rebel, a terrorist, but I am revolutionary. I did not pick up the gun for revenge, but I picked it up for freedom, for my people, for my motherland. When I was a young boy, I saw the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. From that moment I knew silence is no longer an option. I did not fear death. In fact, my hanging can awaken 100 more youth to fight for India's freedom. Inqilab Zindabad, long live the revolution. Inqilab Zindabad, long live the revolution. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Thank you. Beautifully done, Group 2. Your message was loud and clear.
Now, it's time for us to cheer for Group 3.
Children of India, the future belongs to you. Ask not what India can do for you, but what you can do for India. Jai Hind.
I am Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a scientist, a teacher, and the 11th President of India. I always believe that dreams are not what makes you fall asleep, but instead gives you a purpose of waking up every day. So young minds, work hard and dream big. Jai Hind.
I am Rani Lakshmibai, the Queen of Jharkhand. I fought fiercely against British rule to protect my kingdom and my people. Though I died on the battlefield, I remain in the heart of every Indian citizen as a symbol of courage and patriotism.
Inqilab Zindabad! I am Bhagat Singh, a revolutionary who gave his life for India's freedom. I was here, but my dream was big. A free and fair nation. I'm not remembered because how I died, but why I lived for justice. Jai Hind!
I am Kasturba Gandhi, the wife and support of Mahatma Gandhi. I stood by him during every protest and movement for India's freedom. I believe in peace, sacrifice, and power for every woman in building a nation.
I am Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of the Indian Constitution. I fought for equality, justice and dignity for every Indian. With education as my weapon, I helped to shape a new India where all are treated equal.
I am Sarojini Naidu, poet, orator, and freedom fighter. I use my words and my voice to awaken a spirit of patriotism within the citizens of my nation, which is why I am also known as the Nightingale of India.
As we conclude, we see how the spirit of patriotism beats strongly in every heart, young and old alike. The courage, dreams, and strength of our great leaders are not just stories of the past, they are the soul of our nation. So let's not just remember them today, but keep them in our hearts every single day. Jai Hind.
That was an amazing display of patriotism and creativity. Thank you, group number 3.
And now, it's time for us to invite our last group of the day. A, B, kindly take the stage. Let's give them a big round of applause.
When the world sleeps, in rather awake to life of freedom.
Behind the glory and pride we feel today as Indians, there is a heroic history of fierce rebellions, fights, and fearless revolutions carried out by thousands of selfless patriotic Indian freedom fighters to free India from British rule. These iconic heroes were not only building the country's independence, but they also left a legacy of daring, unwavering resolve and steadfast devotion to the motherland. Till today, they inspire millions to fight and preserve our precious freedom and uphold our dignity as proud Indians.
चुका सकता है। तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। दिल्ली का रास्ता ही आजादी का रास्ता है। चलो दिल्ली। These powerful words were said by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a name etched in India's history as a symbol of fearless patriotism and a revolutionary spirit. Born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha, Netaji was a brilliant student who chose the difficult path of struggle over the comforts of a British job. He believed that India's independence was not something to be requested. It had to be fought for and won. He formed the Indian National Army, or the INA, and gave the clarion call, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." During World War II, he led thousands of brave soldiers in a mission to liberate India from the British rule. Although his death in 18th August 1945 remains a mystery, his courage, vision and leadership continues to inspire generations. Let us remember Netaji not only as a freedom fighter but also as a symbol of unyielding dedication to the motherland. Jai Hind!
They call me the Nightingale of India. For my poems, yes, but my voice wasn't meant for just beauty. It was meant for battle. I have stood in rooms filled with power, not to beg, but to demand freedom, equality, and rights to every Indian citizen, both man and woman. I did not fight with swords. I fought with words. I spoke when silence was expected. I rose when obedience was demanded. I marched with Mahatma Gandhi, faced prison walls, and not once did I ever bow down to fear. I am a mother, a poet, a freedom fighter, and most of all, I am an Indian. And I believe in a nation where no individual is denied freedom and rights and no child is denied education. I am Sarojini Naidu, and I will not remain silent until all chains are broken.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना आज हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है। मैं भगत सिंह, उस भारत का सपूत जो आज़ादी के लिए तड़प रहा है। मैं पैदा हुआ था पंजाब की मिट्टी में और मेरे खून में बसी थी आज़ादी की चाह। मैंने देखा है कैसे अंग्रेजों ने हमारी धरती पर राज किया, हमारे लोगों को अपना गुलाम बनाया। ये सब सहन करना मेरे बस की बात नहीं थी। असेंबली में बम फेंकते वक्त मेरे दिल में कोई नफरत नहीं थी। मेरे वो बम तो केवल एक आवाज थी, अंग्रेजों को ये बताने के लिए कि हम सोए हुए नहीं हैं। मैं चाहता था कि पूरा देश जागे और अंग्रेजों को बताए कि यह उनका देश नहीं है। माँ कहती थी, बेटा ये रास्ता मौत का है। मैंने कहा, माँ अगर मेरी मौत से इस देश को आज़ादी मिलती है तो ये मौत मेरे लिए सौभाग्य की बात होगी और मैं अपने देश के लिए मरने को तैयार हो गया। जब मुझे फांसी दी गई तो मेरे मन में कोई डर नहीं था। मेरी बस एक ख्वाहिश थी कि मेरे मरने के बाद हर भारतीय युवा इस जंग में कूद पड़े। मैं शहीद हुआ, लेकिन मेरे खून की हर एक बूंद इस देश की मिट्टी में एक नया बीज बो गई, आजादी का बीज। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, भारत माता की जय।
The wind whispers secrets across the hill, the same wind that carried the hopes of my people. They yearn for freedom, for justice, for a place where they can live without a fear. I can hear their cries, I can feel their pain, but I will not
but I will not rest until their dreams became reality. I have built fort on the mountains, not for our defenses, but as a symbol of our unwavering spirit. Each stone whispers the tale of our struggles, our determination to carve our own destiny. I am a king. I am servant of my people. I will protect my Maharaja. Hara Hara Mahadev!
I am Lal Bahadur Shastri, a loyal servant of India. From a young age, I was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and joined the movement for independence and joined the movement, non-cooperation movement. During this time, I was also in the movement, Quit India movement in 1942 and the Salt Satyagraha movement in 1932. I endured multiple arrests and prison time, and during this time, I was with countless patriots and felt that this is my country and I will serve it. My devotion to the country continued as Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Railway Minister, and as Home Minister. As Prime Minister in the War of 1965, I gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which honors our farmers and soldiers, the pillars of our country. Even in difficult times, I said, there is no room for non-violence in a civilized society. My life is devoted to truth, honesty, and the unity of our country. Jai Hind.
She wore no crown, no grand acclaim, yet born within a steady flame. In homes, in hearts, in streets so wide, she walked with truth and walked with pride. When Nehru marched and Jay escaped, she held the crowd and stormed the stage. Jai Hind.
Vande A huge round of applause for all our fashion show participants. What an inspiring set of performances we have had today. I would now like to invite Father Principal to address this gathering.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, Father.
Okay, first and foremost, let
okay. Of course, it is better than what you were before. But still, I could see some distracted in the audience, okay. I was watching the audience also. I was watching you from behind. It is important while you sit there, first of all, to sit straight. Are you sitting straight? Sit straight. Yeah. First thing you must do is sit straight. Second thing you must do is keep your head still. Don't let it go here and there uncontrolled. Control your head. Okay? Don't let it move in all directions. Once you keep your head still, everything else will fall in place. Not only while sitting, also while walking. Okay, when you keep your head still while walking, automatically you will see that you will walk better. So remember, keeping the head still, having control over the head is very important. So while you are sitting there for the program also, see that your head is still and that you are looking at what is happening on the stage. Yeah, and when there is a break between performances, that is not a time for you to talk. That is a time for you to wait silently, soak in what you have seen and get ready for what is going to come. That is a good audience. That is what I expect each one of you to do. Not only for this program, but for every other program that you come. Don't expect someone to tell you always sit straight, don't look here and there. You get this in your system, that whenever you come for a program, you sit straight, you sit still, and you focus on what is happening on the stage. Don't worry about anything else. There are teachers who will worry about other things. You worry about controlling yourself, sitting still and observing what is happening. So today was better, tomorrow should be even better. Yeah, today was better, tomorrow should be even better. Secondly, I congratulate all those who came up on stage. I see today that a lot of students came up, also for the previous program which I attended, the assembly. A lot of students came up and that is good. Okay. This is the time you get such a platform. This stage, this platform, you will not get again. Once you cross your school life, your college life, you will not have many platforms to come up on stage. Very few of you will get that chance. So make sure while you get an opportunity to come on stage, you grab that opportunity with both the hands. That is one thing. Second thing, if you know that you are going to come up on stage, you have to prepare yourself and prepare yourself well. That means you have to be present for all the practices. Be on time for all the practices. Practice well. What happens in the practice shows in the final outcome. If your practices have been good, then your final outcome will be good. If you have not been present for practices, if you have not practiced well, then the final outcome will not be good. Most important, if you are coming to perform, you have to give your best. That also means giving your best during the practices. Okay? If you are coming up on stage, you must be the best. Otherwise, don't come up on stage. Nothing comes easy in life. You have to work hard, then only you will get good results. Not only academics, in all aspects, sports, this cultural activities like this, you have to work hard. There is no easy way out. There is no easy way to success. There is no lift to success. There is no lift which is going to take you up. You have to climb, take the stairs, one step at a time. And that requires hard work, persistence, discipline, and dedication. So see that you instill all this while you are young. Once you are old, you will not be able to change yourself. Very difficult. Once all these habits are formed in a young age, they will not change afterwards. Okay? Remember that the first half of our life, we form our habits. In the second half of our life, our habits form us. Okay, so now you are in a stage where you are forming your habits. So form good habits. Once again, congratulations to all who came up. Congratulations to all the teachers who organized this event. Teachers, the non-teaching staff, all those who made this event possible. I also thank our judges for being present here, taking their time out of their busy schedule and being here, witnessing this event and also evaluating, and soon they will give us the results. I thank them for that. So I suppose you will be eagerly waiting for your results. Okay, we will see. I'm also here only. Okay, good morning. God bless.
Thank you, Father Principal, for your encouraging words.
I now request the esteemed judges to come up on the stage and enlighten us with your words of wisdom.
Good morning, everyone. I hope I am audible. Thank you so much. It's an honor for me to be here, both of us to be here. We know judging it's tough, it's challenging, but I would say you all have done a great job. You have done your best, and as Father said, it's a learning phase. Even I am learning now, still I am learning, so we all have to learn and grow step by step ahead. You all have performed very well. It was really tough to decide who is the winner, but as you know, you all are winners, and we need to come up with one or two performers, good best performers. So I wish all the best to everyone. Do keep performing, do keep singing, and do your best in life. Thank you. God bless.
Good morning, all of you. I am pretty scared right now, to stand in front of you. But I'm going to make sure that Sir is going to agree to my statement when I say we couldn't have had a better Wednesday than today. Alright, so a huge congratulations to all of you. So I want you all to clap 4 more times. Let's just give a huge round of applause for all our participants. That's it. The second one is to the anchors that we had who came here on the stage and welcomed all the participants. So let's give a round of applause again. The third one is to your teaching faculty who prepared the background music and all the scores. So let's give a round of applause for them too. And one guy whom I wanted to really highlight is the guitarist sitting right here who gave the live music for Group 4. So can we have a round of applause for him please? That was really important and I think So keep singing, it's always better to sing more and keep. And all the participants who came up on the stage and did the fashion show, what commendable guys, amazing job you guys did. And keep rising, keep soaring high, and make sure you shine brighter. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you for your encouraging words. Now, it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for, the results. I kindly request Ms. Pooja, Ms. Neelam, and Sir Clifford to come forward and address the winners for our patriotic competition.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, I'm sure all the silence is to hear something the best for the day. All of you, congratulations for putting up a very, very good show without any hurdles. But finally, we need to announce the winners. So I first begin with the patriotic singing competition. The third place goes to fifth C class. Miss Alvina, if you are there, Miss Alvina, I think she went up for a class. Okay, I want the monitors, kindly come up, two of you. Please come up and receive your certificate. Come on students, they deserve a loud round of applause. Next is the second place, and the second place for patriotic singing competition goes to Standard 6B. That is Miss Abby and Ruth. Miss Abby, kindly come up with your monitors. Come on, you should keep clapping louder. Okay, the winner for the singing competition today is Standard 5B. We also have consolation prizes. So the second prize, the second consolation prize goes to Standard 5A. Miss Priya and her group. Miss Priya, kindly come up with your monitors. Goes to Miss Jelina's group. Miss Jelina, next to come up with your group. Well done, everyone.
Here are the results of the patriotic fashion show. The second place goes to standard 8B. Their teacher, Miss Kuncia Pereira. Please come up on stage fast. Come up on stage. 8B fashion show. Please come up fast. Come on, let's give him a round of applause. Now the first place, any guesses? Okay, it's the 8A. They invite the class teacher, Miss Erica Enrides. Requesting the whole group to come up on stage. Those who were part of the fashion show, kindly come up on stage. The 8A. Come on, be quick. We also have consolation prizes. The first consolation prize goes to standard 7A. Inviting Miss Saira Pereira to kindly come on stage with their group. Come on, be quick. The second consolation prize goes to standard 7B. Inviting teacher Atlas to kindly come on stage with your group. Come on, let's give all our winners a big round of applause. Thank you, Father, for giving away the prizes.
Congratulations to all the winners and the participants. You all made this event truly special. We now invite Ms. Serena Karen to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. At the very outset, I would like to thank each one of you present here today. I feel truly privileged to stand before you to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of all the students. First and foremost, I thank the Almighty for blessing us with this beautiful day and for giving us the strength and grace to perform confidently on stage. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected judges, Mr. Sunil Joy and Mr. Anand Dabre, for graciously taking time out of their busy schedules to be with us and for encouraging us with their presence and insights. A special word of thanks to our principal, the Reverend Father Ransom D'Souza, for his continuous guidance and unwavering support. I would also like to express sincere appreciation to our secondary section supervisor, Ms. Pooja, for her constant encouragement and motivation. A big thank you to our teachers, Ms. Saira and Ms. Ria, for meticulously planning and organizing this event, ensuring every detail was taken care of. A warm thanks to our compares for steering the program so smoothly and engagingly. A heartfelt thanks to Sir Nelson for designing such a vibrant and creative backdrop. You truly added beauty to our event with your artistic touch. Thank you, Sir Cliff Richard, for managing the students and maintaining discipline throughout the program. A special thanks to Ms. Yogita for her technical expertise and for managing the music and sound sufficiently. Also to Sir Rossi for capturing the memories of the day. We are also grateful to our ever-reliable support staff and ensuring everything ran smoothly behind the scenes. To each and everyone involved, whether on stage or behind the curtains, thank you for your contribution in making this event not just well organized, but truly memorable. And last but not the least, a heartfelt thank you to you, dear friends, for being such a wonderful and enthusiastic audience. Thank you once again and have a great day ahead.
Thank you everyone for joining us today and making this performance a grand success.